At Lake Hamilton Middle School, students are diving into a brand new career and technical education course, Medical Detectives. From hands-on labs to real-world problem solving, this class introduces our wolves to the world of medical science, forensics, and biotechnology.
Something that I've learned that could benefit me in the future is like learning vitals. So just in case there's like an emergency on the road and you need to call 911, you can like tell the dispatcher what their vitals are and like their blood pressure.
Medical Detectives is a great STEM application across the board.
The definite wow moment that I've had is when we got to dissect a sheep brain. That was very interesting because we got to label all the parts of it and cut it in half.
Through Medical Detectives, our middle school students are gaining skills, confidence, and a clearer vision of what their future could be. This is just the beginning of expanded career and technical education opportunities at Lake Hamilton.
It enables students to go from the very basic information to first-time exposure to the central nervous system, the cardiovascular system. We're going to do endocrinology systems here shortly. We're going to do foodborne diseases. All these things that are out in real life that they're liable to encounter, they will have an exposure to and familiarity.
If someone asked me why they should take this class, I would probably tell them that it gives you more experience with medical. So like if you want to be a doctor, it can help you.
It's a whole entire learning experience because you get to research with a group, and that's really exciting for me because that's one of my favorite things to do.
They can take this and continue a CTE pathway all the way through high school and potentially into a vocation.
This class is innovative, engaging, and preparing our students for the future. This is Medical Detectives at Lake Hamilton Middle School.